telling you right now, I feel like I'm in a tornado. I don't have any signal. I don't have no internet. I just have that feeling. Probably in a tornado. So you know what? If I am in a tornado, god damn. Look at all this fucking rain. Look at all this fucking wind. I will never know I am in a tornado or not. And there is no fucking way that I'm going to get caught trying to head inside this fucking Love's that I'm staying at. Out in this stupid fucking weather. Even if there was a stupid fucking tornado. It's raining so much that I think the parking lot is flooded. God knows. Jeez. And God knows if my fucking wheel chocks are still on my wheels or not. I did see some power flashes to the Loves not too long ago. And like I said, I will never ever know if I'm in a tornado or not. Last time my phone went off, there was like a severe thunderstorm warning. Whatever. That's all I fucking know. So, like I said, if there is a tornado right next to me or right behind me, and it's literally getting ready to kill me, then I guess I only have this one thing to say. It's been a nice ride. Shit, there's really nothing I could do, really. It's not like I can just go inside this fucking Love's and take cover. There's no fucking way I'd make it, too. If I knew that there's a tornado right behind me. There's no way I'd fucking make it. And I'm not just gonna go out there, run over to the fucking Love's and say, oh, I'm fucking safe, and then come back out and it's for fucking nothing. I'm staying in this fucking truck whether anybody wants me to or not. Unless fucking lightning shows that there's a goddamn tornado, like, right across the fucking street right there. Which there isn't, because all the fucking wind is blowing towards that way. And it'd be kind of hard for a fucking tornado that's all the way over there when the wind is blowing fucking this way. So, you know, whatever. I don't fucking care. I'm caught with my pants down. Literally. I don't have any pants on. Because I'm just too fucking tired. Yes, too fucking tired to deal with a goddamn tornado. I guess this is why that my parents put me into the basement. Because I guess they know that I would be too fucking tired to deal with a goddamn tornado. So I'm just going to say, safely, I'm probably in a tornado. And if I am in a tornado, then like I said, I've had a nice life. Oh, jeez. Damn. I'm so glad I'm not driving right now, though. I only weigh like 12,000 pounds in this fucking load that I'm carrying. So, very surprised I haven't been knocked over yet. 80 mile. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Oh, please tell me somebody saw that. Oh, please tell me the camera picked that up. I just saw a fucking... I think that was a trash can that was being blown by the fucking wind. I think there's another fucking trash can out there. I can't really see it because of the fucking rain. There's no parking lot lights out here. There's absolutely no lights out here. It's so fucking dark. So you know what? If I see those trucks starting to lift up, just want to say that I love all of you. I love all my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for putting up with me, for subscribing to me. And if I survive, this would make a great YouTube video. Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm so fucking dead, am I? Oh, I'm in a tornado. I promise you, I'm in a tornado. I don't hear like any roaring of any sort. Because what would it sound like? It would sound like a freight train was coming, right? It would sound like a fucking freight train was passing into your house, right? Well, it's kind of hard to hear a fucking freight train with the goddamn... Oh, fuck. Fuck this. Fuck me. I just want to sleep. Quiet down. I'm trying to sleep. Oh, shit. What's this? Oh, it looks like the lights are trying to come back on. What is that right in front of me? What is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, something hit me. Something just hit. What is that? Oh, it's a fucking trash can. It's a goddamn fucking trash can. It just fucking blew all the way over here. You know, that being said, now that there's light over here, I am getting that feeling that I actually am in a tornado. So, like I said, if that's the actual case, then, and it does happen to be right behind me, I'm just sorely fucked. I don't know what I would do. I really don't. What the fuck am I supposed to do? What the fuck would anybody expect me to fucking do? It sounds like I could just faintly hear roaring. And I just don't know if it's right behind me. I can't fucking tell. There's absolutely no way I would fucking tell unless if it was right in front of me. This is fucking amazing. Look at all this fucking wind. I have never been in a situation like this before. Like, yeah, I've seen all this fucking shit when I was at home, but I've never really, like, lived this. Like, this is fucking amazing. I mean, if I wasn't doing truck driving, I probably would be doing storm chasing. It is nice to see that the lights have finally come back on. I'm sure everybody in their right mind has decided to fucking stop. Stop and at least try to wait this fucking storm out. I don't know where that Creed is going. That's a Creed over there. I just saw the name at the last second. That's a fucking Creed driver getting ready to go brave the storm. Well, good luck to you, buddy. Hope you don't die. I really hope you don't. Because, seriously. This is just amazing. In all honesty, though, this is just amazing. It just feels like that the wind has calmed down just a little, but it's just a little. Look at that! Look at that! The fucking lights are on. That is what hit me. I'm going to have to check and see if it did any damage to the front of my truck when the wind dies down, or maybe in the morning when I wake up. But I am going to have to tell them that, hey, that trash can right beside me did end up hitting me. I felt the impact and I saw it coming. Oh my god, this fucking camera picked it up too, I think. So this is one hell of a storm. So if you guys don't hear me by tomorrow or something with a really good story, then I guess I didn't make it. But it feels like that the storm is or no, the storm is either moving on or weakening or whatever, or the wind is dying down at least. So this is what it feels like to be in a tornado, in a fucking semi, at a truck stop, and not knowing what the fuck is going on. Like, literally, this is all I know. Of course, I could brave getting to this front seat, turning on the truck and turning on the weather radio. And if there really was a tornado, then I guess I would have known by then. But I'm just too fucking tired to get to the front of this fucking truck right now. And to be real honest, I think my safest, the safest place to be, I would think, probably be right here in this fucking sleeper. It's my guess. There's no way I would fucking survive anything hitting this fucking truck head on. When I'm just sitting here buckled up in my goddamn seatbelt. Because you just don't fucking know. You don't fucking know what's going to happen. You don't fucking know if a tornado's right behind you unless you get picked up. You'll never know. That's probably the scariest part about being in this weather, is that you just don't know what is going on around you, and you'll never know unless if it happens for sure. Well, it looks like the storm has died down a little bit, so I will go out and I will check. My God. I will go check to see if everything's okay. See if I got any damage or not on this fucking truck. I know I probably didn't, but you know, can't be too safe. So it probably just hit the fender. So other than that, I'm not dead. The storm hasn't claimed me, as I thought it would. So I know some of you all are disappointed. So I'm here to stay. Thank you guys so much for watching this amazing not Facebook. This is going straight onto YouTube. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys. Oh, that guy's light was out. I wonder if I should tell him. He probably knows. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.